Dodge Grand Caravan 2008 to 2020. Removing the door window motor itself is not very difficult. You just need to unscrew 3 Torx head bolts and disconnect the connector. However, you must first remove the door panel. To do this, unscrew one bolt behind the door handle and the second one in the armrest. Using plastic trim tools, pry the panel from the bottom to release the 7 clips around. Then, from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and the single electrical connector at the bottom.
Something that's really